Launching an attack on the Congress party, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 11th at an election rally in Maharashtra justified the abrogation of Article 370. Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi hit out at the BJP-led centre, saying farmers are asking for the minimum support price for their crops. Youngsters are seeking employment, women want relief from inflation, but no one is listening. Here are the other major developments of April 11. Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar on Thursday said that irony died when a party like Congress questioned others on disclosures and taxation amid a row over the detail revealed by him in his election affidavit. The Congress had moved the Election Commission claiming a mismatch in the actual and declared assets in the affidavit filed by the Chandrasekhar, who is in the fray against Shashi Tharoor from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. The Election Commission then directed the Central Board of Direct Taxes to verify any such mismatch. According to the reports, Congress claimed that Chandrasekhar has submitted false information since he has declared just Rs 680 as his taxable income for 2021-22. The Bharatiya Janata Party on April 11th demanded that the name of Sultan Bathari town linked with Tipu Sultan in Wayanad Lok Sabha constituency should be changed, since the place was originally known as Ganpati Vattam before the Mysore rulers' invasion of the Malabar region of Kerala 2 centuries ago. BJP State President K. Surendran, who is contesting against the sitting MP and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, raised the issue during his election campaign. Madurai, known as the cultural capital of Tamil Nadu, is set for triangular contest among 3 professionals. The Madurai Lok Sabha seat was won by the CPI candidate Su Venkatesan in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. The Sahitya Akademi recipient this time faces BJP candidate Rama Srinivasan and AIADMK nominee P. Saravanan. While Saravanan is a doctor by profession, Srinivasan is a popular face in the regional channels and was an adjunct professor at the School of Management of Shastra University. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi hit out at the BJP-led centre on Thursday, saying farmers are asking for a minimum support price for their crops. Youngsters are seeking employment, women want relief from inflation, but no one is listening. The upcoming Lok Sabha polls are about protecting the country's constitution and democracy, the former Congress chief said. Gandhi also said that the bank accounts of the Congress have been frozen. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was in Maharashtra, hit out at the opposition for saying that the constitution and democracy would be in danger if he wins a third time in office, and asserted abrogation of Article 370 ensured the statute book was implemented throughout the country. The Prime Minister said Chief Constitution Maker B.R. Ambedkar's soul must be blessing him for nullifying Article 370, which provided special status to Jammu and Kashmir.